Hey guys, today we're going to talk about lavender and everything about it, and for that we are going to start with the Abbaye de Sénanque, which is a nice place if you love history.
It's a Cistercian Romanesque monastery that was built in the 12th century, so very old. We didn't visit it though because we didn't think that with the COVID crisis that we would be allowed to, so we wanted to just walk around and look at the lavender, but I got here and the sign said no dogs, and because we didn't think we'd be able to visit the monastery on the inside, we brought our dog, and so we took turns. Max went first and took some videos, and then I stayed in the car and then with the dog so that he was not locked inside the vehicle getting hot, and then I went and took some photographs of the lavender as well with my camera. Next up, we're going to visit a little town that's right beside it, so that if you wanted to check out some lavender and then go to the village of Gordes in the Luberon, you have that opportunity as well. So that's what we're doing today. Check it out.
So finally parked in Gordes. It's been maybe 10 to 15 minutes to find a parking lot because they are all full and it's like 11:30 a.m. There's a market. All the parking lots are full and you have to pay for them. It's super sunny and we've seen Germany, Switzerland, Monaco, and people from Paris and all the mountains.
So good news is that people are out and about. So if you watched our last video, then you know that the borders are open for most European countries and that tourism has started to rebound, and that's a really good thing for France.
Let's check the markets and go right now.
So here we are in the Provençal market of Gordes. As you can see, we're wearing our masks like we're supposed to, and trying to stay 1 meter away from everybody as we're supposed to. Now we're going to find lavender products. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so here is our treasure chest of lavender products for the day. We have raw lavender, just cut, Ooh, I'm getting a little bit of wind. We've got the lavender that has been cut, dried, and put into little tiny sachets. We have honey of lavender. We have essential oil of lavender, essential oil of lavendin, we'll get to that, and then soap. So these are the products that we found for today, but you can also have lavender show up in decorative laundry, like sheets and stuff, pillows. Like I was saying, there's a little bit of differences between these kinds of things. I paid €7 for this one, €6 for the essential oils of just the lavender plant. Now, lavendin is the wild plant of lavender, but it doesn't have any of the health benefits. So with the lavender essential oils, you're gonna have the health benefits. You're gonna be able to put it on your pillow and be able to fall asleep really quickly because it has that calming effect on you. You have soap. So this soap only has about 1 or 2% lavender in it. It's fleur de lavande, so it's going to be a little bit lighter of a scent than the actual lavender if you just get a lavender soap, because the lavender soap is using the whole part of the plant, whereas this is only just using a little bit of it, a little bit of essential oils put in it as well.
And now let's go to the restaurant. Here we are in a nice little restaurant in the shade in Gordes after the market. We met some great people and you've seen our products in the video, and yeah.
So if you guys like our channel, like our visit to Gordes today around the theme of the lavender, make sure you like our video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment letting us know what you thought. If you liked this version of doing a video a little bit better, visiting towns and whatnot. So yeah.
Sure, and if you want more information and you want to contact us, we also have a Facebook page. And we
have Instagram.
We are going to do some live during the day and during our trips. So if you want to be updates, just have to click and
follow us there as well. So yeah. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.
See you soon. I hope you liked the video. If you want to see our previous video, it's just here. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want daily updates, it's going to be on Instagram and on Facebook. Don't forget to share, like, and speak about us around you. See you soon and take care.